Here's how to connect and use a gamepad to play eFootball in BlueStacks. Open BlueStacks on your PC and make sure it is fully loaded. Connect your gamepad to your computer using a USB cable. Bluetooth controllers also work, but USB is more reliable and has lower input lag. Wait a few seconds for BlueStacks to detect the controller automatically. Once connected, launch eFootball inside BlueStacks. After the game opens, look at the right side toolbar and click the Game Controls icon. Select the Gamepad option to switch control mode to controller input. Customize the button layout if the defaults do not match your preferred setup, then save your settings. You are now ready to play eFootball with your gamepad. Controller support in BlueStacks works for most standard gamepads, including Xbox, PlayStation, and generic USB controllers. A tip: if BlueStacks does not detect your controller automatically, go to Settings, then Preferences, then Game Controls, and toggle controller support on manually. Also, make sure no other applications are using the controller in the background, since that can block BlueStacks from accessing it. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.